Good medical morning. Today, we're going to look at the most inspiring body transformation images I've ever seen. These are some of my favorites of all time. Very inspirational and represent a lot of hard work and dedication. Leave a comment below with your weight loss goals and click like for these body transformation superstars. Here we go, enjoy the images. Also, if you're interested in losing weight, maybe it's time to get an appetite suppressant. Appetite suppressants really work, and I'll put a link to my favorite below. It's energizing and doesn't make you nauseated. It's called Finergy, and it gets my personal seal of approval. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up with everybody in the world? This your boy Kylie Muscle. And as you see, I represent muscle and fitness and cuts and striations. You see what I'm saying? And this is a shout out to the team at Finergy. You guys are doing a great work, man. Nobody cares more about fitness and nutrition than I do. So keep up the good work. It's all about incredible gains and great results. Stay motivated. Love y'all. Let me give you a little more inspiration and motivation. Look at them cuts. Love you. Stay blessed.